Welcome back to our channel. You think you can handle a global disaster with an empty pantry? Think again. Today, we're diving into the essential foods you should stockpile that never expire. These ingredients are the backbone of any survivalist's kitchen, and frankly, you should be ashamed if you don't have them already. We're talking about foods that will outlive you if you don't store them properly. Let's get started. First up, we've got white rice. This pantry staple is your best friend when the world goes to hell. Store it right, keep it dry, and this bad boy will outlive us all. In a real crisis, you need calories that last, and white rice is the champion. Think of it like this. White rice is the blank canvas of the culinary world. You can boil it, fry it, steam it, even turn it into a dessert. Most importantly, it provides the energy you need to survive. Next up, we've got popcorn. Yeah, you heard me right. Popcorn. Don't underestimate the power of a good morale booster when the world's gone mad. These little kernels of joy can last a lifetime if you treat them right. Keep them dry, store them in an airtight container, and you've got yourself a movie night snack, even when the power's out. Just because it's the apocalypse doesn't mean we can't enjoy ourselves, right? And don't even think about giving me that microwave popcorn rubbish. We're talking about real kernels here, the kind you heat up on the stovetop with a bit of oil and a sprinkle of salt. The smell alone is enough to make you forget about the chaos outside. But remember, storage is key. You don't want your popcorn turning rancid on you. A cool, dry place is what you're after. Now, who's ready for a post-apocalyptic movie marathon? Now let's talk about protein, the building block of survival. And when it comes to long-lasting protein, dried beans are the undisputed king. These little nuggets of nutrition are packed with fiber and protein, and they can last for years if you store them properly. We're talking black beans, kidney beans, chickpeas, lentils, the lot. They're all welcome in our apocalypse pantry, but don't even think about throwing them in a damp corner and hoping for the best. Dried beans need love too. Airtight containers are your best friend here. Keep them sealed tight and store in a dry place. And don't be afraid to get creative in the kitchen. Beans can be used in stews, soups, salads, even dips. They're versatile, nutritious, and they'll keep you going when the going gets tough. Remember, a well-fed survivor is a strong survivor. Chapter 4. Pasta. The carbohydrate king. Listen up, you lot. We're talking about pasta now, the king of carbohydrates and a lifesaver in a crisis. This pantry staple is a must-have for any self-respecting survivalist. And don't even think about giving me that gluten-free rubbish. We need calories and we need them fast. Store it right, and this stuff will last you longer than your last relationship. Now, when I say store it right, I mean it. Dry, cool, and dark. That's the name of the game. And for God's sake, keep it away from any moisture. We don't want any soggy pasta situations, do we? The beauty of pasta is its versatility. You can boil it, bake it, fry it, even eat it cold if you're desperate enough. Just add some of those canned goods we'll be talking about later, and you've got yourself a meal fit for a post-apocalyptic feast. Chapter 5. Oats and barley, the breakfast champions. Listen up, you lazy sods. Just because the world's ending doesn't mean we can't have a decent breakfast. Oats and barley, my friends, are the breakfast champions of the apocalypse. These nutritional powerhouses are packed with fiber, protein, and enough energy to get you through the day. And the best part? They can last for bloody ages if you store them properly. Now, when I say store them properly, I mean it. Airtight containers are your best bet here. Keep those oats and barley sealed tight and store them in a cool, dry place. We don't want any unwanted guests like insects or moisture ruining our breakfast, do we? Oats and barley are like the blank canvas of the breakfast world. You can make porridge, overnight oats, granola bars, even savory dishes if you're feeling adventurous. Chapter 6. Sugar, the sweetener that never surrenders. Let's face it, even in the apocalypse, we need a little sweetness in our lives. And when it comes to long-lasting sweetness, sugar is the undisputed champion. This pantry staple is a baker's best friend, and it can last for years if you store it properly. And don't give me that nonsense about artificial sweeteners. In a crisis, you need the real deal. Now, when I say store it properly, I mean it. Sugar is like a sponge. It absorbs moisture like nobody's business. So, keep it in an airtight container and store it in a cool, dry place. We don't want any clumpy, sticky messes, do we? Sugar is incredibly versatile. You can use it to sweeten your coffee, bake a cake, or even make homemade jams and preserves. It's a valuable resource in a crisis, and it can make even the most basic meals a little bit more bearable. Chapter 7. Honey, nature's golden elixir of life. Listen up, you lot, we're talking about honey now, nature's golden elixir of life. This liquid gold is not just delicious, it's also a survivalist's secret weapon. Honey has been prized for its medicinal and antibacterial properties for centuries. It's a natural cough suppressant, a wound healer, and it can even help you sleep better. And the best part? It never goes bad. That's right, honey can last for centuries if you store it properly. Now, when I say store it properly, I mean it. Keep your honey in an airtight container and store it in a cool, dark place. And don't panic if it crystallizes. That's perfectly normal. Just gently warm it up, and it'll be as good as new. Honey is incredibly versatile. You can use it to sweeten your tea, drizzle it over yogurt, or even use it as a natural energy gel during those long days of scavenging for supplies. Chapter 8. Freeze-dried and dehydrated foods, the space-age solution. Listen up, you space cadets. We're talking about freeze-dried and dehydrated foods, the ultimate survivalist's dream. These modern marvels are like something out of a science fiction movie, but trust me, they're the real deal. Freeze hydration are processes that remove moisture from food, preserving it for years without sacrificing its nutritional value. It's like hitting the pause button on freshness. Now, these foods might seem a bit pricey, but trust me, they're worth every penny. They're lightweight, compact, and they require minimal storage space. Plus, they can last for decades if you store them properly. We're talking about fruits, vegetables, meats, even entire meals that have been transformed into shelf-stable wonders. Just add water, and voila, you've got yourself a nutritious and delicious meal ready in minutes. Chapter 9. Canned meats, the protein powerhouse. All right, you lot, let's talk about protein. And when it comes to long-lasting protein, canned meats are the undisputed champion. We're talking tuna, salmon, chicken, beef, even sardines if you're feeling adventurous. Canned meats are a survivalist's best friend. They're packed with protein, they're shelf-stable, and they can last for years if you store them properly. Just make sure those cans are stored in a cool, dry place, and they'll be ready to fuel your adventures when the time comes. Now, I know what you're thinking. Canned food? That's boring. But let me tell you, with a little creativity, canned meats can be transformed into culinary masterpieces. Now let's talk about coconut oil, the multi-purpose marvel of the culinary world. This tropical treasure is not just delicious, it's also incredibly versatile and boasts an impressive shelf life. Coconut oil is a stable fat, meaning it doesn't go rancid easily. Store it properly in an airtight container in a cool, dark place, and it can last for years. Yes, years. But coconut oil isn't just for cooking. It's also a fantastic moisturizer for your skin and hair, a natural deodorant, and even a toothpaste alternative. Talk about a multitasker. In a crisis, coconut oil can be your secret weapon. It can provide you with energy, nourish your body, and even help you maintain basic hygiene. Listen up, you lot. We all know fresh fruits and vegetables are essential for a balanced diet. But let's face it, in a crisis, fresh produce is a luxury we can't always afford. That's where canned fruits and vegetables come in, the unsung heroes of the apocalypse pantry. Canned fruits and vegetables are packed with essential vitamins and minerals, and they can last for years if you store them properly. Just make sure those cans are stored in a cool, dry place, and they'll be ready to provide you with a much-needed nutritional boost when the time comes. Now, I know what you're thinking. Canned food, that's boring. But let me tell you, with a little creativity, canned fruits and vegetables can be transformed into delicious and satisfying meals. Listen up, you caffeine fiends. Even in the apocalypse, we need our morning cuppa. And for a brew that will last longer than your willpower, look no further than coffee and tea. These beloved beverages are more than just a pick-me-up. They're a ritual, a comfort, a lifeline in a world gone mad. And the best part? They can last for ages if you store them properly. Now, when I say store them properly, I mean it. Keep your coffee and tea in airtight containers away from light, heat, and moisture. We don't want any stale, flavorless brews, do we? Whether you're a coffee aficionado or a tea enthusiast, these beverages can provide a much-needed morale boost when the going gets tough. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on how to prepare for anything. Remember, proper storage is key to making these foods last forever. Don't be caught with your pants down when disaster strikes. Get your pantry stocked with these essentials, and you'll be ready to face anything. We've covered the basics, but there's a whole world of long-lasting foods out there. Do your research, experiment in the kitchen, and most importantly, be prepared. Remember, in a crisis, a well-stocked pantry can be the difference between surviving and, well, see you next time.